Considering the critical duties required for a deer hunting knife, the first and most obvious would be butchering deer. Being able to break down a deer into segments demands a sharp blade that is going to be able to come into contact with skin, sinew, and bone without dulling so quickly as to require sharpening in the field. When you're in the market to find a thing called the top 5 best deer hunting knives, there will be, literally, thousands of options with chaotic reviews, which is confusing. That's when we know experts like us should come into place, to share our deep understanding of knife function, to provide our thorough assessments, and to help you. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Outdoor Edge RazorPro Double Blade Folding Hunting Knife. We checked out the Outdoor Edge RazorPro as a gutting knife, where it's boasted to open a deer without cutting internal organs, and that's no joke. The gut hook keeps its edge nicely. It can penetrate into the game like a breeze, bust a gut and get the deer hide dirty off. All the process just takes you under 20 minutes. Skinning isn't a matter as well. The 420 stainless steel blade evaluates the price when it can work alone without the need of help from the razor blade, something that not so many other deer hunting knives could do. And it's quite durable. On average, it can be field dressed 4 to 5 whitetail, not include splitting the sternum or pelvis, before replacement. Rubberized TPR handle. Non-slip TPR handles are mounted to a sturdy 420J2 stainless steel frame for unparalleled strength and durability while providing a secure, non-slip grip even in the most adverse conditions. The blaze orange handle is easy to spot on the ground, saving valuable time in the field while preventing loss. Pros: easy to replace, lightweight, and sharp. Provide a gut hook to speed up the gutting process. Give multiple blades and the razor blade is replaceable for extra convenience and more money saving. Cons: don't have a clip on the knife, you can't hang it on your pants. Number 2. Snake-Eye Tactical 9-inch Full Tang Tactical Knife. Though made in China, the Snake-Eye Tactical is built for precision with a wise design that helps it win our Best Fixed Blade Choice Award. The knife might take you 30 seconds on a ceramic stone to sharpen, but it works superbly afterward. Very, very sharp for the price that can be used as a skinner for small games. It's a bit bigger than other counterparts, but the hand feel is great. It fits nicely to your palm while giving a good grip, even when bloody. The sheath is molded plastic. While some people found it caused the knife to outrageously profile under a shirt, we don't think so. During our tests, it fitted nicely to the waistband, holding the knife firmly but still easy to draw. Very excellent, especially for the price. Pros: give a great balance between price and quality. Protective but slim profile sheath to not budge up under your shirt. Great hand feel and grippy, even when bloody. Cons: the knife edge isn't very sharp right out of the box. Number 3. Buck Knives 110 Folding Hunter Lockback Knife. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter is like an iconic as Harley-Davidson. It's made by one of the most well-known American brands with over 100 years expertise in designing and engineering hunting knives. The knife itself is a traditional favorite, created in 1963, one of the first folding knives of Al Buck. And differing from other easy-to-break folders, the hinge, in this case, is made with strength and new innovation, the nail-notch lockback design. This feature helps to open/close the knife with safety and ease while still functioning for detail work, such as cutting or piercing into narrow areas. Aside from the state-of-the-art innovation, the knife nails up with premium materials, such as the 420HC stainless steel and the beautiful diamond wood. Plus, there is a quality black, the heavy-duty leather sheath that you couldn't expect at this price. Pros: high-quality leather sheath that's not only protective but also stylish. Provide a lifetime warranty, so just buy it with confidence. Made in the US, you can ensure the quality. Cons: the edge is a mess of burrs. Number 4. Havalon Piranta-Edge 12 Replacement Blades. Downsize to the Havalon Piranta-Z if you're looking for a better skinning performer with neater carry. It features two types of blade, the 60A and 60XT. According to Havalon, the 60A is built to be 30% stronger and 20% thicker than its counterpart to bear heavier use with no breakage. This blade has also been through significant improvement in cutting-edge sharpness, making it a nice choice for skinning, field dressing, and quartering. Our deer hunting focus testers have endorsed the knife's finely edged prowess, and it's as excellent as advertised. Although the knife is rather lightweight, its design reaches perfectly ergonomic balance in the hand with a great grip. It also included a nice sheath. So what is there to dislike for this price? Pros. Provide 12 replaceable durable blades for no caked-on fat, blood or membrane. Lightweight, compact, and well-balanced in the hand. Built to be stronger and thicker than the 60XT to handle heavier use. Cons. Can't throw, whack, or hack. Number 5. Gerber StrongArm Fixed Blade Knife. The StrongArm, with an emphasis on a 420HC steel blade and ceramic coating, is considered a wise advancement of the classic fixed blade. While giving a bit extended length, in both size and blade, it's ultra-durable, at least better than the 1095 steel, to suit various needs in the field. What we like the most in this kind of material is its higher appropriation to take in or around water while requiring lower maintenance. Not to say that a 420HC steel blade delivers harder texture to hold its edge much longer. The sheath is another big bonus. It's specifically designed to be easily attached on maul, belts, to the webbing on a life jacket or in drop leg fashion, making it definitely worth keeping around. Pros. Made with ultra-durable, thick, and strong blade to be perfect for deboning. Can break through hard surfaces easily. Require low maintenance and can take in/around the water. Cons. Easy to rehone the blade back to the razor edge. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Now, in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.